This is a 1969 Plymouth Sport Satellite hardtop. Beautiful red color and the black vinyl roof. And here's a description of what we have. 383 cubic inch engine with a torque fight, 2-barrel carb. Beautiful engine compartment here. And we have some aftermarket wheels here. And checking out the interior, it has a black vinyl interior and has the headrest and the console. Nice engine, nice dash here with the kind of fake wood trim there. And we have some chrome trim here in the back. And that unique to Mopar back window. And now we're going to get to see the build sheet. And there it is. Usually stuck somewhere in the springs of the car, in the seat. And of course the Maroney sticker, which winds up $3,813. Beautiful car.